Westchester Joint Waterworks is located about 25 miles north of New York City. It's in a heavily wooded part of Westchester County. All the primary utility service to this location is overhead lines, and we are subject to coastal storms, winter storms. There is a possibility of extended outages at this facility, so being able to run for days at a time is a realistic possibility here.
We are a water utility here in Westchester County, New York. We provide water to 60,000 residents within our district. We also wholesale to 2 water utilities outside of our district. It's important to have backup power at this location because if I don't have backup power and my main power goes down, I can't pump the water to the 60,000 customers that I need to.
When this system was originally installed, it went in as a 3x500 kW diesel system, 1500 kW total, and that powered the 6 million gallon per day facility. Several years ago, they were required to install a UV treatment system.
The technology here is a UV treatment, which is light bulbs that treat the water for cryptosporidium that may be in the water.
That required additional power generation, but at the same time, they also wanted to maintain their N+1 redundancy in the generator assets, so we had to add an additional generator to the system, bringing it up to 4x500, or a total of 2 megawatts.
I ran a team of 5 men, pull in all the cabling and the pipe work, the underground work, to lay all the groundwork for the generators.
This is one of the great benefits of the MPS system, is that it's easy to expand upon. It pulled some additional conduits, ran some additional control wires to the other 3 generators, and the generator was now paralleled on the bus, maintaining their N+1 redundancy in the entire facility.
These facilities feed Westchester County Airport and their fire systems. So God forbid there was an emergency situation at the airport, without the backup generators and power fails, if there's a fire situation, there would not be enough water pressure to reach the airport in timely fashion.
With Generac's MPS system, installation of the 4th machine did not require any downtime. They were able to maintain 100% operation of the facility, which was critical for Westchester Joint Waterworks.
I mean, it's tremendous to know that they have peace of mind and backup with generator systems.
The support of Generac is one of the most important factors in all of this.
We work hand in hand with Generac and Energy Systems, which has been seamless. Whatever we need, they are very helpful with, whether it's wiring diagrams, specifications on generators for pad work. It's a seamless operation.